Say hi.
Hi.
Act like you're excited. Yeah. All right, guys, so there it is. That is a 2011 Toyota Tundra that I bought. I'm hoping that truck lasts me a while. I'm going to turn it into some of the things that I want. It's nothing fancy. It's kind of a base model. It's the SR5 model. And throughout the wrench bender videos, I'll be putting some new rims on it because those are the old steel rims and I don't like it. Probably some Nerf bars, a tonneau cover, or a cap, depending on what I find. Lots of things. Who knows what all exactly, and I may stop at some point. But if you're interested in seeing that, make sure that you comment below something maybe specific you'd like to see on Tundras, and I'll see if I can capture it because I'll be doing a lot of work to this truck. And then if you're not interested in seeing it, make sure you comment that below too. I mean, we are interested in what our viewers would like to see. So, but for today, this is what I'm doing. I got this truck and I'm going to take you into the interior, which just has the factory stereo on it. Let me pull these keys out. There we go, so it's not making so much noise. But that is the factory stereo. It's not fancy, no Bluetooth. And we're going to end up replacing that with what we have here is the Jensen Car1000 10.1 inch touchscreen display. So there's a unboxing video. Wasn't a lot of detail in it, but you got to see it come out of the box and what all comes with it. And that video is on the channel. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get to work, and I'm not going to do a how-to video on this because I'm sure there's plenty. Now, if I do find something that I think is very important, I may stop and show you. But for now, you can find a multitude of other videos out there that'll show you how to take out a factory stereo and put in another one. I'm going to get to work and I'm going to show you the before and after, and hopefully we get to use it a little bit today. I'm kind of on a time crunch because I'll have to go to work here in a little bit, so I'll get to work and see what happens. You're running. All right, guys. So if you take a look inside there, I've got this thing tore down. Look inside there. There we go. It's got the bottom dash kicker panel off. I've got the dash loose. And I've got the stereo is about to come out. But I got some things that I think I want to talk about because I found some videos online that was helpful but didn't include everything. All right, so first off, if you can see right here, there's a yellow clip and it is still in. Does that help you?
Yeah. There's
a yellow clip still in there. So when I found the videos about taking this apart, he did mention that the yellow clips come out pretty easy and they're easily lost. So when you're popping these panels out, those clips come off and they'll go flying. Yeah, here's an example of one that almost hit me in the face and then Addison caught it. So you got to keep track of these because they go back on here like that and they snap back in. So we haven't lost any yet. We've been very fortunate. Well, we lost a couple, but we found them. So they went flying, we got them. The part that kept me tricked up for a while is once I got the kick panel loose, and there's a tray right here that's got some cigarette lighters in it. Once I got that out, this cup holder for me in my truck sets underneath the air conditioning control like this. Okay? That's the gist of it. And I could not get this cup holder out. I took 2 screws out of the bottom. I got the cup holder mechanism out. Slow down.
You can't see that.
Well, that's okay. There's a cup holder mechanism that slides in and out. I got it out. I got the 2 screws at the bottom out, and I was trying to pop this out. It was the last thing before the air conditioner come out, and I couldn't get this out. And I ended up finding you have to use this bottom part right here and put a screwdriver up at it at an angle, and there was 2 hidden bolts all the way in the back that you had to take out in order for this to pop out. Once those 2 bolts come out, this thing slid out real easy. when I put it back together, I might try to get some film of that. But that is a tip, because I struggled on that for several minutes trying to figure out how to get this out. And they were pretty hidden back in the top corners. So if anybody doing this, that might be helpful to you. All right, I'm on a time crunch. Still got a little bit of time before I have to go to work. I'm going to continue on. We're going to get this factory stereo out. I don't know if I'll get it done today, but we're going to keep driving forward. And if you have any questions about how this came apart, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see if I can get them answered. But for now, you can watch some other videos on how to take this dash apart if needed. That's not what this is. I just want to do a before and after of the factory and then the Jensen car radio. So I'll catch back up with you guys in a little bit. So, like most projects, this did not go as well as I intended it to go. I have to go to work. And for the fun part is it's a level 2 snow emergency right now. You know, it's been snowing all day. Fun times. And this is the only 4-wheel drive vehicle I got. Therefore, we have got to put it back together, and I've got it kind of worked. You can't really see very well, but the radio is missing, and so is the cup holders. But I think she'll drive, and I'm going to take off and go to work, and then tomorrow we'll try to finish this job. So stay tuned. I am back. This is day 2. A little tired. I didn't sleep well last night, or much at all. You know, night shift. Yay! But today we're going to finish this project. This is what it looks like. You can see I drove it to work last night with no dash, no stereo. It's empty. Cup holders are missing. I didn't put it all back together. So today I'm going to take it all back apart, and we're going to get this stereo in here one way or the other. This is getting done today. And hopefully I'll be taking the doors apart and replacing the speakers, and we'll get an after shot of what it looks like. So I'm going to get to work, and then like I said, if I find something that I think is important, I will catch you up. Otherwise, I'll see you at the finished product. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. It's day 3, and I'm still not done. Yeah, so this has been more of a job than I thought. I've still got this thing in pieces. I'll be honest though, I was trying to bypass the parking brake switch, and it didn't fare well for me yesterday. I was on the phone with customer support. I've tried YouTube videos. Long story short here, I'm going to get back to work. It didn't work. We'll see how it goes from here. So, hang tight. I'm going to take a break here for a second, take a few minutes to celebrate. Yeah! It has been an eventful morning and an eventful past couple days. I'll give you a little bit of background. I'm not done yet. I've made progress, but we're not going to go in there and look at it yet because I want to show you the finished product. What I am going to do is take a minute here to show you, I'm upgrading the speakers as well as the head unit in this truck. It's the base sound system. I want a little bit more depth. I went ahead and bought Kicker brand speakers, go all the way around. These are what were they, 6.5, 6 3/4 for the front door and the back door. And then I got these little 2 3/4 for the front dash. But what I was going to show you here is that's the factory speaker. It's a 4 ohm, 17.5 watt, just, factory speaker. And then I'm replacing it with this 4 ohm. This is a 50 watt RMS, 100 watt peak. So much better sound already, I can tell you that. I do have the front speaker in right here in this corner, driver's side corner dash. I've already tested it and it sounds pretty good. I can't wait to get the rest of them in, but I just wanted to take a minute to celebrate here because I've made some progress. It's been, and like I said, an eventful couple days. And to give you a little background on that, I couldn't get the Android Auto to work in the Car1000 after I hooked it up. And I thought it had to do with the emergency brake, but I ended up setting it up with the emergency brake, and I was on a call with Crutchfield support, and they think they sent me a head unit that just doesn't work. Now, did I mention that I love Crutchfield? Because I was called customer support, we worked through a few issues. I was on the phone with him for about 20 minutes trying to troubleshoot, and in the end, they just sent me a whole new unit. It's not here yet, it'll be here next week. I got to take this one out and put it in and try it then to see if it works, but fantastic customer service. And again, they did not promote this video. It's just my personal experience with Crutchfield has been fantastic. So that's the celebration moment for the time being. I'm going to go ahead and get back to work. I can't wait to get this done. It's been a long couple days. So once I get it done, we'll do a little tour inside. I can't show you Android Auto because it doesn't work. But when I get the new unit in, hopefully I can do a follow-up quick video of Android Auto, and then we'll move on from there. And I'll give you a review after a few weeks maybe. So bear with me, and we'll turn some music on here in a little bit, hopefully, and see what it sounds like. She's worried about being weird on camera. First of all, check out the speaker I got for the, there we go, pull this up. The rear is another Kicker. It said KS. It's the KSC67. Yeah, it's a 4 ohm. I don't even remember everything about it. Where's that at? Where's the box at?
It's on the floor.
On the floor. Yeah, it's 100 watt RMS. 200 watt peak. So, I mean, you look at this speaker and the quality of it, the Kicker, which I bought. This is a cheaper one. It's like $100 for the set. And then you look at what was in the factory. And the speaker, the magnet on it. I found that funny. I just wanted to show you guys the difference between some of the factory stuff versus the aftermarket. And I love my music and I love to ride in good sound, so that's why I upgrade my stereo. I'm going to continue on. I have got it done. Well, I've got it done enough for now. So like I said, they're sending me a new head unit next week, and I'll have to take it all back apart and put a new head unit in. I've also found another problem, and I don't think it's with the head unit because the factory speakers weren't working. Something on the other side over there, I'm running into all kinds of problems, but I guess that's what you get. So I'm working on it. But I'm going to set you up here, and you get to see. This is what the Car1000 Jensen unit looks like in a 2011 Toyota Tundra. I don't know if it's hooked to my phone. Oh yeah. That's not what we want. We'll stick on dynamite for the moment. I like this balance section. Now see, that's what I'm talking about. You can't hear because everything on the right front over here doesn't work. I got to solve that problem or look into it. But that's a different day because I'm running out of time. But here is the whole truck, about half volume. Now, that's with the aftermarket kicker speakers. I've got them all the way around the truck now. I put 2 in the dash, 2 in the front doors, and 2 in the back doors. And they sound phenomenal. I'm very satisfied with them. I do have to solve the problem of the front right not working. And I believe it's a wiring issue. I'm going to guess it's in the wiring behind the head unit. Since I have to take the head unit back out anyway, Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, I'll tackle that problem then. For now, I'll ride like this. That's it. That's all I got. It's been an eventful few days. I had this whole thing apart. Dash tore completely out. Very frustrating. But Crutchfield worked with me. I'm very satisfied with them. I'm loving the head unit. As soon as I get the Android Auto working, it'll be absolutely fantastic. I guess that's all. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button in that bottom. We need the subscriptions. Thanks, guys. See ya.